Hello and good day. Here is, I'm going to show you a mini accordion album that I used the tutorial from NW Lady 1949 here on YouTube. I will put links to her YouTube page down below, plus to the tutorial that I used down below as well. I think her name's Patty. Her channel is fantastic, so please check her out. With this album, I didn't make the box that she made the box that hers comes in, but she does have a tutorial for that as well. I used the paper pad by Recollections that I bought at Michael's. There's 180 sheets in it, and they're the thin paper. It has like a set of baby girl, a set of baby boy, and a set of when you don't know baby neutral pages. It has a lot of cut aparts and everything in it, which is great. So I used that, and then also I went to the sticker section, and in the sticker section at Michael's they have ephemera packs with stickers and chipboard and stuff that matches the baby girl and matches the baby boy. So in this album I used that as well. I bought this box at Dollarama, and what I did is I just made this little spacer in here so that they can put keepsakes of the babies in there, and then the album just sits in here. I put a ribbon in so you can pull it out nicely. So this is the accordion. I did slightly change my album from hers. Hers measures 6.5 by 6.5, I believe, where mine measures 6 3/4 by 6 3/4. Your mat would be then 6.5 by 6.5, and your pattern paper would be 6 1/4 1/4 by 6 by 1/4. So in that way you can lay a 4 by 6 right on it. I also changed that mine all have pockets at the top, whereas hers doesn't. Plus, hers, when you flip to the very back, you have to go back to the beginning to flip this way. Mine just continues on, but I'll show you as we get into the album. So this chipboard piece that I put on the cover here, which has some nice glitter on it, came with the ephemera pack. So that I just put on the front. Inside, for each month I made these on my computer, so it doesn't come with anything like that. But these stickers do, and this is one of the chipboard pieces. So I just popped that up so that you can put the mats behind it. You flip this up, and then I thought they can either journal on there with the baby's milestones, or they can put a slightly under 3 and 4 inches picture on there. Plus these come out, and they can put a 3 by 4 on the back, or either they can journal about the baby on them. Yeah, and the cut aparts are really cute actually for being not like a fancy pad of paper. And then on the back of this, they can put a 4 by 6 perfect, or journal if they would like to. And then it just sticks back in there. And then this comes out. Here I just, one of the little cut aparts, so I'm going to stick it back there. They can journal on there about the baby. And once again, a 4 by 6 will fit on there. Oh yeah, and the same with here. Sorry. They can put it under there. Oops. Or they can put it like that. Or they can do 3 by 3s or whatever they want, whatever size of picture. And then on the back is just nothing. And then I just used a border punch that I had along the top there. And then we go to month 2. Comes these stained little stickers. One little cut aparts I just put on there so you can stick. This is one of the pieces you get in the ephemera pack. Here again, they can put a 4 by 6 on the back if they like. Here I made just another 4 by 6 that they could put pictures on. And one of the little stickers. One of the little chipboard pieces that it comes with. And it goes to 3 months. That flips up again. That's just one of the stickers. Love your face. 4 months. The sticker. Oops. This I just fussy cut it out of one of the 12 by 12 sheets and then backed it on yellow paper. Just make it a little harder, and they can journal on here about the baby. And another cut apart there. There's another one. Oops. I have to glue that down. And 5 months. This I made so that they can put the picture right on that if they want to. They can put a picture on the back. The same with there. 6 months. I'm not quite understanding the animal and flower theme, but it's cute. And then, yeah, they do have 4 by 6 or 4 by 4. They can take and put a picture right on the back if they like. And this one's just plain on that side. And on that side is one of the little chipboard pieces again. 6 months. Oh, right, so just that. Sorry. And the insert for that. And this one they can put the photo under too. And then it goes to 7. And what I did with 7 is I did make it so that it magnets and stays closed. And this is one of the little cut aparts. And then on this one, just another little, oops, sorry. They can journal or put a picture on. So then like hers, you would have had to go back to the front to go to 8 months. But mine, they can just flip it and it goes straight to 8 months. So it comes with these cute little more stickers. And then a little cut apart. And some of the stickers are puffy and some are flat. This is one, the chipboard. Dream On for 9 months. 10 months. And then once again, they can put the picture right under that if they want. 11 months. And once again, they can do it there too. 12 months. Cute little puff-up flowers. And happy first birthday. Important milestones, which I thought was cute. And then that just comes up too. And then you're back at the beginning. So I hope you enjoy the album. And if you have any questions, please just post it below and I'll answer them if I can. And I hope you enjoy it. Take care and happy crafting. Bye.